how to sign up for PureVPN affiliate program. But before we look into the process, let's find out the benefits of becoming a PureVPN affiliate. There are a number of benefits that you can have if you become a PureVPN affiliate, like high commission rates, generous rewards, fast payouts, and a lot more. You can get a $300 sign-up bonus as well. And if you go through their website, you will get to see the rates on how much you will get. And also, all the benefits are listed here. And becoming an affiliate for PureVPN is pretty easy. So for that, first of all, scroll to the top on this page and click on Become Our Affiliate. Now, all you need to do is fill in all your information, like your email, password, name, country, etc. After that, you have to go over to Promotional Details page and then select your promotional method. Then put in your website URL and website language. And then select your audience type and agree to the terms and conditions. So once you're done with all the necessary steps, all you need to do is click on Submit. So this way, you can sign up for PureVPN affiliate program. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video if this helps you out.